Greetings everyone. Today in my continuing series of poorly shot, poorly edited videos here, we have a Kato N MP36 in it, that has been converted to ESU LokSound. In this case, it has an ESU LokSound V5 nano installed. The reason I chose that is because it has 6 powered outputs on it, which will become apparent here in a minute here as to why we wanted those. Obviously, your 6 powered outputs, the 2 obvious ones are going to be your forward and your rear headlights, your white and your yellow. And then also on here, yes, we got a headlight there. We have a separate Mars light that's up there. And then you have 2 separate ditch lights. Now normally you could, if you didn't need them to alternate, you could just use one output, but in this case, if I blow the horn, they alternate. So therefore, you need 2. And then last but not least, and it's hard to see in here because there's so much light going on here and my camera sucks, but you have your red marker lights for push operation that are there. Going back to that, this is has an ESU 11x17 sugar cube speaker in there. The sound file was a MP36 sound file that Matt over at ESU threw together for me. I'm sure at some point some version of it will be up on their website. I will put pictures on my business Facebook page with the shell off. I'm not going to edit this all into one video right now, but it's kind of a wiring mess in there. And in the process of putting this thing together, I had more than 1 or 2 LEDs go poof and release their factory smoke. But I think we got it all settled now. So as with everything I do, I learn something new on every install I do. So yeah, the next one will be better, although this one's not bad at all. So I'm happy with how it came out. Obviously the lighting's all been function mapped depending upon what output is going to where. So when the thing is going forward, if the ditch lights are on, they will be on. The Mars light and the headlight go on at the same time. I can actually turn those off, and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, I am just going to hit F8. And there you guys go. Metra MP36 in N scale with ESU LokSound V5 nano installed. Hope you learned something. Like I said, I'll post pictures on the Facebook page of this without the shell on. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.